Welcome to Evolving Spiritually. My name is Kayla Leday-Poole, spiritual intuitive therapist. If this is your first time checking out my channel, hello and welcome. If you all are returning, what's up, and welcome back to another intuitive session. If you would like to check out more sessions, you can always head over to patreon.com/evolving into more. Over there, I upload 2 to 3 additional readings per week. If you would like to book a personal session like this or any other kind of reading, you can head over to evolvingintomore.com. Now, let's get into today's session. Hey guys, pop it in for a quick channel message. This has to do with numbers. And the number 633 came up for me. And more so, I saw this with a decimal point. So it was 6.33. Don't know if this is going to be an amount of money or I feel like it would have something to do with money because of the decimal point, and it wasn't just 633, it was like 6.33. But that's what I got. So we may have to look up that number and see what that symbolizes. But the message that I was getting around numbers says that there are many energies attached to your energy. So at this time, you may be experiencing moments of indecisiveness. You may be going back and forth with yourself about a direction you want to go in, about a career or a hobby that you want to pursue, or how you want to build or create something, right? And I feel like whatever this is, it's again keeping you in this back and forth type of energy because there is a decision that you have to make. Right? You either are in that energy where you're needing to make a decision or a choice about something now, or this is coming up for you. And someone, or this could be multiple people attached to your energy, they're very much aware of that. And it's like trying to cause confusion energetically or spiritually so that you feel conflicted about which way to go. So if you're having any of those symptoms, it is not you. It is other people tugging and pulling on your energy because that is the state in which they are in when it comes to you and where you're headed. So you will have to make a choice and a decision between 2 or more things. So just keep that in mind. This is a message of balance and alignment. Many people want to pull you down right now because you are headed straight up. So if you're asking for what, outside of because you're headed straight up, it's because these people crave. They crave you. They crave to be in your presence. They crave to be in your reality again. And you have cut them off, and I feel like you are continuing to choose to let these people go. But I also feel like you're just willing to let go of anything, of anyone, or anything that's just like blocking your growth at this time. You're ready and willing to just cut it off and continue moving forward. So that's a good thing. This is just being mindful of people and things who are not vibrationally in alignment with you. And you will know it because you will feel it, because the words, the expressions, the actions, they won't add up. The math won't math there. God is doing a mass clearing and cleaning in your life right now. So know that this is to bring in the newness that you have been manifesting. You couldn't have what you've been asking for with what you've been surrounded by. That's why you ain't got it yet. Okay? Let this shit go ahead and clear out, and just know that God's bringing newness into your life right now, and you are about to have a new normal. Okay, that's something to smile about. Your day-to-day is not about to be what it's been. Okay, you going through the motions is not about to be a thing. You waking up, consciously choosing and interacting throughout your life, you're about to have a new normal. And I think that is something that is very, very worth everything that you have invested in yourself. Okay, so don't worry about these people. Don't give into this energy. I just saw 414. This is about you remaining in a balance and an alignment with yourself, right? The 6, the 3, and 3, they're all divisible. Well, I mean 3 is, but 6 would be divisible by 3. You know what I mean? You want to keep adding it? It's all divisible by 3. So this is going to go into blockages. This is going to go into things that have been stopping you from continuing to build and grow. And also have celebration and fulfillment in the way that you seek. So you're coming into alignment. You're in alignment. All right? That's why people trying to come and throw you up off of it. They don't fit on your timeline anymore. You're not conscious in their reality. So whatever they try to make you out to be will always be wrong, because again, who you are and how people see you now is not how they used to. Okay? So thank you guys so much for tuning in to this quick little channel message. I hope that it has helped, resonated. If you want to check out more sessions or readings, you can always head over to patreon.com. I'm consistently uploading over there with more content, or you can book your own at evolvingintomore.com.